We're with Vittore Wheel and Tire, and today we're going to show you how to take these components and turn it into this, so you can put it on your own truck. And first we're going to start off with the tire pressure sensors. A lot of people are confused with what a sensor is, where it goes, what it does, but we make it easy. We carry 98% coverage for all vehicles on the road today with just 2 part numbers, and we can send it programmed for your truck. And if you put a wheel and tire package together with our company, we can also install it for you before it arrives. So all you have to do is mount it on your truck, do the auto relearn process, and you're ready to roll. And this is the TPMS sensor, and this is where it goes. And really, when purchasing aftermarket wheels and tires, you have 3 options available. 1, you can leave the sensor out. You have an annoying dash light that stays on. 2, you can use your old sensors out of your old wheels, your factory wheels. Or 3, you can purchase them from us. They come pre-programmed, they're already installed, so all you have to do is put the wheel and tire package on your truck and use the auto relearn process. One advantage is the labor cost involved in using your old sensors. The shop's going to charge you whatever hourly rate to change those over. So the cost involved in purchasing the new ones, and they come pre-installed, is going to outweigh paying them to do that. And secondly, the battery life. You're only going to get 5 to 6 years worth of battery life out of the factory installed sensors. So if you've got a vehicle that's 4 to 5 years old, they're going to be useless here in another year. And then you're going to have to pay to buy new ones, and you're going to have to pay to install them anyway, so you might as well do it now. And now to the next step. We're going to take this 35-inch Toyo MT tire, and I'm going to have Casey mount it on this XD Rockstar 2 wheel. And we're going to use the Hunter equipment, which is actually top of the line stuff. There has been some progression over the years in regards to how it's done, which parts used. Nobody wants a scratched wheel. So they've got almost a touchless design. He still has to maneuver the tire, set the right head distance, set up the arms and the rollers. Easy as that. Popped on, we're going to clean off the lube, take it off the machine, then we're going to air it up. And now to the next step. The Hunter Road Force machine, we're actually going to use to dial in the air pressure before we send it out. We still advise that you check your door placard or owner's manual for the advised air pressure. And a lot of times it's confusing with oversized packages, oversized tires, or low profile tires even. You have to fluctuate the air pressure based on the weight of the vehicle. So on off-road applications, you may have a bumper or carry a heavy payload. You're going to run a different pressure than the next guy with the same truck. So we want you to check into that once you get it. Then the other step with the Road Force machine is the Road Force part of that machine, which actually uses this large roller to simulate this tire and wheel package being on the road before you ever get it. That way we can identify problems with the tire or the wheel, or if it's a bad balance before you get it. We want to find out here before it arrives with you. Now that the weight's been applied, we spin it one more time to check the balancing. Since the Road Force has already been done, we want to make sure that zeroes out. Everything worked like it was supposed to, it was calibrated properly. And now we're ready to mount it on a pallet and send it to you. Now we're going to button it up. Casey's going to put on the last cap. Valve stem caps are on, air pressure's checked, all the pieces are here. A couple things I wanted to point out with a full package. Obviously it's mounted, balanced, all the other aspects are done. We also include the proper lug nuts for each application. So we already know your vehicle. This is going on a 2013 Ford F-150. Some of the benefits of dealing with a knowledgeable customer service is he had a leveling kit. Want to know what size is going to fit on that vehicle. So he can fit a 35 on the Fords with just a 2.5, 3-inch leveling kit. He also needs the proper offset on that wheel, which we dialed him in. So now once this shows up, he's ready to take it off the freight truck and put it on his truck. Unbolt the old ones, take the new lug nuts, wheels, tires are ready to go, put it on, reprogram the sensors, and he's ready to hit the road. If you have any questions, anything you may need, you already saw that you want, please feel free to call us at 1-800-560-7834. Check us out at VittoreWheel.com. Find us on eBay, Amazon. We're easy to reach.